Hello, my presentation is about why is water important to the human body. The importance of drinking water, it keeps the digestive system healthy, it helps with weight loss, helps fight off illnesses, boosts energy, keeps skin bright, and that's just to name a few. With the digestive system, it acts as a transportation system as it circulates nutrients throughout the body and moves out waste products. It also helps with your body digest food more effectively, and it helps break down the food so that your body can absorb the nutrients, and also prevents constipation. Water is in our nature. According to medicaldaily.com, the average adult human body is about 50 to 65% water. It acts as a transportation system as it circulates nutrients throughout the body and moves out waste product. In other words, it helps break down the food you consume easily. Water also softens stools, which will help with constipation. Who would like to lose weight while drinking water? Drinking water helps boost metabolism, and also drinking cold water actually will help boost metabolism. Dr. Albert Ahn told popsugar.com that bringing the temperature of the water from ice to cold to the body temperature does expand energy. It also acts as an appetite suppressant. When your stomach is full, it sends a signal to your brain to stop eating. Hence, water can help with suppressing appetite by taking up space in the stomach, which then can trick your brain to think your stomach is full. This will then reduce hunger. You may also think you're hungry when actually you may be thirsty. Drinking a glass of water instead of snacking can help curb your appetite. Water is necessary to burn fat. This is because without water, your body cannot metabolize stored fat or carbohydrates. This is because of hydrolysis, which is when water molecules interact with fats to create fatty acids. The dangers of not drinking enough water. One way you could tell you are not drinking enough water is dehydration. What is dehydration? Dehydration is when your body loses more fluids than your body takes in. The amount of water in the body has dropped below the level needed for the normal body function. What are the symptoms of dehydration? Some symptoms of dehydration are thirst, dry mouth, dark yellow urine, fainting, headaches, and so on. Dehydration can lead kidney problems. And that's why kidney problems can also be a bad reason of why you don't drink enough water. And when the body doesn't get enough water, it doesn't get rid of all the toxins and waste, which can lead to kidney problems. With decreased blood to the kidneys, there is less nutrition and oxygen to the kidneys that can result in damage. Bad mood. Believe it or not, drinking water can put you in a bad mood. This is because dehydration can make a person fatigue, which can cause a person to be in a bad mood. According to today.uconn.edu, about 1.5% loss in normal water volume in the body can change a person's mood, energy, and ability to think clearly. There are benefits of drinking water. There are plenty of benefits of drinking water. It can control, cure, reduce certain diseases, such as asthma, heart problems, and cancer. Drinking water for a certain amount of days to treat certain diseases like high blood pressure, 30 days, certain diabetes, 30 days, constipation, 10 days, and cancer, 180 days. Water also can help with respiratory problems. It can thin the mucuses lining your airways and your lungs. Dehydration can cause mucus to thicken and get sticky, which can slow down the respiration and make the susceptible to illnesses, allergies, and other respiratory problems. Not only is there health benefits in with drinking water, there is also cosmetic benefits. It can help with losing weight and maintain weight loss, combat skin disorders like psoriasis, wrinkles, and eczema. Water is also a good replacement for expensive anti-aging treatment. It keeps the skin well hydrated, and for soft skin, drinking a good amount of water is more important than applying face cream. As for hair, drinking a good amount of water will support the hair growth and the hydration for your hair. As you can see, the benefits of drinking water outweighs the risk of not drinking enough water and staying hydrated. Who would want to go through the dangers of not drinking enough water? I don't.